Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up payments on Shopify, one of the most important tasks for any online store owner. By the end of this video, you'll have your Shopify payments ready to go, so customers can pay you with confidence and ease. Let's dive right in. First, start by heading to your Shopify admin page. This is your business's control center, kind of like mission control for your online shop. If you're new to Shopify, you'll find this page by logging in on the Shopify website. Take a breath. Don't worry if it looks busy. Everything is organized for ease once you get familiar. Now, from the admin page, look to the lower left side of your screen for settings. Click on this. The settings section is where you'll find all the behind-the-scenes tools to manage your store. I always say, think of settings like the back room of a physical store. It's where everything important happens, from payment setup to shipping and taxes. Once you're in the settings, locate and click on Payments. This tab is specifically for handling anything related to how customers give you money. It's crucial to get this right because it not only affects your ability to get paid, but also helps build trust with customers. If payment methods are unclear or unreliable, shoppers might hesitate. Under Payments, you'll see options to choose a provider. Shopify works with several payment providers, each with their own features, fees, and requirements. For the purposes of this tutorial, and to keep things simple, we'll select one for testing. This is really helpful if you want to make sure everything's working before you fully launch your store. Think of it like taking a car for a spin before you commit to driving it every day. Click on the provider you want to use for testing, then hit Reactivate. What you're doing here is turning on your chosen payment method, which will let your store process payments just like the real thing. If you're just getting started or experimenting, it's great to use test mode so you can double-check that everything functions, the checkout flow, the payment receipt, and so on, before real money is involved. Now, you also have the option to use PayPal. It's a popular choice because so many customers trust and use PayPal for online purchases. However, if you go this route, you'll need to provide your card details to Shopify. This step is essentially linking your merchant account with PayPal so you can accept transfers and deposits. It's a bit like giving your bank information when you're setting up direct deposit for your paycheck. And if you're concerned about security, rest assured, Shopify and PayPal both use strict protocols to protect your information. And honestly, that's it. Once you've picked and activated your payment provider, you are ready to start taking payments from your customers. Setting up payments might seem technical at first, but just take it step by step and it quickly becomes second nature. If any part of this process feels confusing or you run into a hiccup, don't hesitate to drop your question in the comments. I'm here to help. If you found this tutorial useful, hit that like button so others can find it too. And consider subscribing to my channel for more Shopify tips, walkthroughs, and business advice. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your store.